Okay, so question 9, pretty similar to 8, except now we're going to be working with fractions. So picking the points is going to be slightly different in this question. 2x minus 3y equals 21. So again, I'm going to isolate y in both of the equations. Let's start with this one here. So 3y equals negative 4x minus 3. Divide everything by 3. Then y equals negative 4 over 3x minus 1. Now when I'm picking the points here, what I notice is my slope is a fraction, my y-intercept is a whole number. So when I'm picking my first point here, in this case I can pick 0 as my x value. If I sub in 0 into this equation, I'm just going to end up with my y-intercept of negative 1. Now the second point we have to pick has to always be a multiple of the denominator, so you can either pick 3 or negative 3 for x. I'm going to pick 3. If you sub in another point like 2 or 1 or 4, you'll always end up with a fraction, and you never want fractions in these type of problems, so always pick a multiple of the denominator if your slope is the only fraction in the question. If I sub in 3 in this equation, so I'll do that in my calculator. Negative 4 over 3 times 3 minus 1, get negative 5. Okay, let's do the same thing with this equation. I'm going to start by isolating y, so negative 3y equals negative 2x plus 21. Divide everything by negative 3. So I get y equals 2 over 3x. The negatives cancel and make it into a positive, and that's just minus 7. Again, my slope is a fraction, my y-intercept is a whole number, so again, first point I can pick is 0. I'll get my y value to be negative 7 if I sub in 0 there, basically my y-intercept. And then the second point I pick has to be again a multiple of the denominator, so I could pick 3 or negative 3. I'm just going to pick 3 over here. Again, if I sub in 3 into that equation, so I have 2 over 3 times 3 minus 7. And I just get my solution of negative 5. Now in this question, without even plotting, you can tell your point of intersection, but again, for full marks in your test, you have to show the plot and the lines in the plot as well. So I'm just going to draw my graph. And then I'm going to plot my points on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my first point is 0 and negative 1. That's right over there. My second point is 3 and negative 5, just down there. I'm going to draw a straight line through them. Then I'm going to plot the second set of points. So 0, negative 7 is down here. 3, negative 5 is that point right there. Basically, we know our point of intersection already. I'll draw that line. My POI is 3, negative 5.